The man who helped create Baruch heads to court tomorrow.
Jeff Henry is charged with reckless second-degree murder, and our investigative team has been combing through court records in Texas, which paint a disturbing picture. Here's Angie Riccono.
Jeff Henry is a high school dropout who calls himself a water wizard and lord of the slide. He had the big idea to build a water slide that is pretty much a roller coaster on water. A young boy died on it, and now Henry faces criminal charges. We discovered he has a record in Texas, but what might interest our local prosecutors is what his ex-wife says. Here's Jeff Henry in some of his rougher moments, arrested and charged for things like murder and drugs. Keep digging and you'll learn he's been arrested for an alleged sexual assault, too. Tonight we're exposing troubling allegations in civil court filings. His wife didn't just divorce him, she sued for damages. Here's what she filed in court. Jeff Henry has had in the past serious mental, psychological, psychiatric, anger management, and emotional problems long-standing in nature that in part caused or contributed to horrific assaults and beatings. The civil lawsuit goes on to say Henry assaulted, battered, beat, and tormented his ex-wife. She was sexually assaulted in many different ways. Some of the alleged horrific assaults took place at Schlitterbahn's New Braunfels water park, and she says her child was the victim of witnessing the horrific acts. The timing is important because Henry's ex-wife describes a violent marriage falling apart due to mental problems and substance abuse at the same time Baruch is being conceptualized, drawn out, and built.
Tipped over and killed every sandbag in there.
Schlitterbahn announced plans for the water slide back in 2012. Baruch opened in July 2014. Henry's ex-wife describes alleged assaults right in the middle during 2013. And one more thing. She sued Schlitterbahn, too, saying Henry's company knew of his alleged problems. Jeff Henry's conduct was extreme and outrageous in character, and so extreme in degree as to go beyond all possible bounds of decency. And Henry's various incidents, accidents, and alcohol and drug history placed defendant Schlitterbahn on actual notice. Those statements were in specific reference to a May 2013 incident where the ex-wife claims she called 911 when Henry rammed his vehicle, owned by Schlitterbahn, into her car at her house, then broke in and then used a concrete pedestal to break down her bedroom door where she and her child were hiding in fear of their lives. A judge originally awarded that ex-wife $4 million and the woman's child $400,000 when Henry failed to show at court. However, the judge set aside those awards and ordered a new trial. So Henry faces legal problems in both Texas and Kansas. We reached out to his Texas lawyer and we didn't hear back. However, in the past, his lawyer has denied those allegations. Henry is free tonight on bond. His Kansas lawyer has indicated he might speak publicly about the murder charge he faces. We'll keep you posted on everything.